Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple process of exporting files from public channels on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever needed to gather your downloaded content or back up specific files, this feature makes it quick and efficient. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the very top left corner where you'll see the three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open up the main menu. From that menu, select Settings. This is where all the important customization tools sit. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Advanced, and go ahead and click on it. Now, if you scroll further down within Advanced, you'll see a section called Export Telegram Data. This is the key tool we're going to use. Click on it to open the export settings. Inside the export options, you'll notice plenty of different categories you can select. For this process, we're only focusing on public channels, so make sure you check the box that says Public Channels and leave the others unchecked. Right beneath that, scroll a little until you see the option for files. Be sure to check that as well, since we're specifically exporting the files shared in those channels. Once everything looks good, click on Export to begin the process. The app will now gather the data, and depending on how many files you've selected, this might take a little bit of time. Once the export is finished, you'll be given the option to view the results. To do this, simply click on Show My Data. At this point, all your exported files from the public channels will be neatly organized and ready for you to access on your computer. This is a great way to back up important information, collect documents, or just keep track of the content you've been engaging with. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can confidently use Telegram's built-in export feature to manage your files from public channels whenever you need.